Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you ultimate organizational tool for yourself. How to use Notion AI. So you can open Notion AI on your browser, notion.so. Right, plan, organize, play. You can turn ideas into action with Notion AI powered workspace. So you can get Notion for free here. So in order to that, you have to fulfill the condition here, like personalization. What are some areas of interest here? I think hobbies. So touch and hold the order any content here. Sidebar menu. Keep things organized. You find all your page here. And then save web pages or local files into Notion here. Discover the latest feature and enjoy seamless supercharged experience on to go with the mobile app. So you had there's and download the mobile app of this Notion AI. So you can proceed to a getting started on mobile. So tap anywhere and start typing. Tap the plus above your keyboard to content menus, header, subpage, and etc. Highlight the text. Use the bar. Tap and hold this line. Oh, you can try to type here for the basic. So you can learn about this getting started on a Notion. So let's start with PC Builder. So feel free to try to use this Notion AI to organize yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.